Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Kelly. I mainly make Disney, travel, lifestyle and cruise vlogs, but today I have actually just bought this camera and I'm going to do an unboxing for you today because I know many of you were looking into one of these cameras. I just wanted to show you what you're getting in the box. So this is the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 creator combo. I did actually buy the combo rather than just the camera itself. So we're going to have a look and see what's in the box and see what we get with it. So when you open the box, you've obviously got the setting up instructions. I think this might be a sticker. I think this is a QR code for the app, or the store and the app. So there's the QR codes. Safety guidelines, always useful. And the guarantee for the camera. Then as you open it up, it looks like this. So I'm just going to open up this separate box first. So this looks like it's the Osmo protective cover. So I'll put that to one side, but yeah, it's got a little thing all about it here. Then, okay, nothing left in the box, but everything else comes in this handy little case. So it's not very big, as you can see. So we're going to open it. In here, this is what it looks like inside. So there's the camera just here. Then you've got all the accessories and some other accessories just at the top there. So you've got this lovely pocket here with everything in. So firstly, this is the little camera. So as you can see, it is no bigger than my hand. Tiny little thing there. It's got a button here and it looks like a little, little joystick type thing here. That might be, I don't know for sure, I've got to go through all the instructions, but that might be where you insert the SD card, which I did order all together, but that's coming separately, so hey ho. But yeah, so far that looks absolutely gorgeous. We've got a little microphone, so that just clips on to your clothes. So that's your mic. Then everything's all taped up, so bear with me. Ah, right, so that must be the battery handle, I believe. When mounting, insert the battery handle. Yeah, that there is the battery handle, so I'm presuming, yeah, that goes on the bottom there. So you can use it without, but I had the extra battery with that. And then in here, what's this one? Everything's pre-bagged, so yes, this is the tripod, so I can stand it up if I need to, so that's always handy. And that will go onto the bottom of this battery thing, so like this. Muffler for the mic, so that just clips on. The strap, the handle strap, so I don't lose the camera. Then I have obviously the charging cable. So in these two bags here, I have like a little filter. I don't know if you can see through that bag. And then this, I'm not 100% sure what that is, so I'm gonna not lose them. But yeah, so that all came in this little bag. So as you can see, that's now empty. I'm just going to show you what actually came. Let me just move all the rubbish. So as you can see, this is the camera. I've got a smaller battery pack, a larger battery pack, the muffler for the microphone, which is here. Not quite sure what these two things are yet, so I need to read the books on those. This is the tripod here, the charging cable, the strap for the camera, and this protective case. I'm presuming that is for that. I'm just gonna try and figure that out. So yeah, this is what came in my package today from Amazon. So just to let you know, I bought this on Amazon Prime Day, and the total came to £570.04 for everything that you saw there. That does include the case, it included the camera, the microphone, everything. So that was all in. I did have to pay £9.99. I did buy a 64 gig SD card, which sadly didn't arrive today. It's going to come in a couple of days time. But yeah, that was the only extra thing I did buy, was the SD card. So all in all, I didn't think that was a bad price. I'll let you know how I get on with it. Hopefully I should be making a few more vlogs with it before I actually go on holiday again. So yeah, that's what came in that box. So just for information, it was the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creator Combo that I bought, which is this one here. And everything that you saw came with it. As I say, this is the size of the camera, so it's no bigger than my hand. And it's very, very light as well, as cameras go. So the screen does rotate. I don't want to do anything with it just yet, because obviously I want to make sure that everything's working. And I will give you a full rundown once I know that everything's working and it's all ready to go. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to see my future vlogs. For now, please stay magical. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.